Post pandemic, our lifestyles have changed. For many, anxiety is about returning to work and fearing productivity loss as a result of it. Working parents are also stressed about finding support for their kids. Many others who returned to their hometowns during the pandemic are concerned about finding accommodation as they head back to their base location. At the end of the day, well being is the crux of tackling HR issues, such as absenteeism, presenteeism, dragging productivity, retention, and engagement. But who takes care of the well being and emotional health of HR? Now, I have a solution, a specially designed workshop for the welfare of the HR fraternity. Through the Mindful HR Wellbeing Program, you and your HR team can learn how to reframe your stress and completely transform the way you think, act, and behave. This unique workshop is designed to product mindful solutions to HR manage their stress, improve productivity, reduce associated health risk, and achieve greater well being. Our mind, body, soul are all interconnected. Hence, we must practice mindfulness in all the spheres of personal and professional life to reap holistic and long term benefits. Do you agree with me? If you are looking for an empowered and mindful HR department, let us connect. Reach me out in the below details for the Mindful HR Wellbeing Program. It is designed for individuals as well as for group. Have you ever realized we are talking about mental well-being, emotional well-being at workplace a lot? The reason that mindfulness is popping up all over the place is that it's become a lot more legitimate in recent years, with studies showing many benefits of those that practice it. Like getting your staff on board with practicing mindfulness in the workplace can be tough, but once you have cracked it, there are incredible benefits to be ahead. Like some of the benefits I can list out: a reduction in the job stress, decreased feeling of anxiety and depression, increased focus and ability to drown out distractions, increased self awareness and regulation of emotions, last but not the least, improve body satisfaction. So, mindfulness really does promote physical, emotional, and mental well being, allowing for increased productivity. And who doesn't want that for themselves and their colleagues? HR being a crucial role, they can also be mindful in their practices. Let me share a few simple 6 tips with them so that you can practice it at any time for yourself and your team. Number 1, fill breaks with mindful activities. Just a couple of minutes of practicing mindfulness doesn't mean that you are meditating in a place. It just means being aware of what you are doing, how you are doing, realizing the current moment. Number 2, walk mindfully. This is as simple as that. Number 3, eat mindfully. So, next time when you have a break, make sure you pay attention to what you are eating, how you are eating, the taste of the food, the structure of the food. Pay a little more attention to how you are eating. Number 4, notice what you are doing at your desk. Many a time, HR land up to multitasking. I don't say that multitasking is bad, but to some extent, I feel that this reduces your efficiency. Number 5, practice mindfulness with colleagues. And how more it is important, you know it better, because HR are the one who are people's spokesperson and also the spokesperson for the management. So next time when you are talking to your colleague or employees in the organization, be mindful to what they are saying. Okay, be a mindful listener. Number 6, show your employees that you care. Encouraging mindfulness in the workplace is all about showing your people that you care. Investing in a well-being activity or giving them tips on how to manage their mental and physical well-being in a way shows that you genuinely care for them. We speak more volumes than giving them a free gym membership will. Thank you.